ikaw ay masaya, huwag mong intindihin ang sasabihin ng iba. Wala ang may problema. Silang mahilig manatili. You must try. Try to open. Oh, yeah, that's one.
Ayan, ma'am.
Oh, yeah, good. Oh, that one. No, don't. Okay, you must proceed. But this one, you must see that. Oh, now I'm gonna move. You must work here.
Huh?
You're good.
I don't work anymore.
Why?
Don't like. No more work in my life.
Tapulan guro ka.
Just travel.
Tapulan, that's tamad. Ano, sa in English ng tapulan? Ha? Lazy. Lazy, tapulan, tamad.
Такая вкуснятина, Мариваль.
Oh? You're a good opener.
Yeah.
Oh.